Alright, first up in the stick vacuum series today is a Bissell featherweight stick vacuum. I got this at a thrift store for only $3. And it's actually really lightweight. And it's also really cool is that you can take this, pull it out. Detach the nozzle and you can make a stick vacuum. Actually a hand vacuum. But I'm going to demonstrate you this stick vacuum. It's obviously made by Bissell. It's one of the second stick vacuums. It's very quiet too. I'm going to show you in handheld mode. Put it back on. You can also use it as a put the handle back on. Hope you enjoyed.